niggas, them hit you up and make you feel like them independent and them ambitious and them can get shit done. But as soon as you start, the nigga ain't shit. He never was shit. He just came to you pretending to be shit to start messing with you, to leave you broke, sad, beaten, and unhappy. Because all half of them know how to do a mess with your head, beat you up, and then try to tell you if you cheat, they gonna kill you. But if I want something to eat, you can't buy it. If I want something to wear, you can't buy it. If I need to go places, you telling me I cannot go, but you're not spending the money on me. And I'm unhappy as fuck. Let me tell y'all fuck boys this. If you see me, don't fucking see me. Let me go. Because if we date and you hit me, I'm finna call the cops or I'm finna make man beat your ass. That's the first thing. And if we date and you're not giving me the money, I'm finna cheat. So, pick your poison.